Welcome to Deep Kiran Classes of Commerce and Expert Coaching with Guaranteed Success. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.
Hello students, today we are going to start with the second chapter of this year, that is accounts of not-for-profit concerns. The name of the lesson, not-for-profit concern, itself shows that the organization or concern is not having profits, or it is not meant for profit. So what is it meant for? It is meant for the services. They are going to provide us with the services to the society in general. Okay. Most of the organizations of this type are charitable institutions, then like hospitals, cricket clubs, associations, libraries, charitable hospitals also, dispensaries. No, so all these are not for profit concern. Okay, the main motive of this organization is to render some kind of services to the society. It may be in the field of education. Also, education institutions are also called as not for profit concern. Okay. So what is the meaning of not for profit concern? It is established, this concern is being established or formed by the members who are like-minded. Like-minded means what? They have the uh, same criteria towards society, or same wish for the society to render their valuable services. Okay, that is known as, that is the meaning of not-for-profit concern. Now, examples of this will be any form of arts, charity, education, all this will be known as not-for-profit concern. Now we'll define the features of the not-for-profit concern. What will be the first feature? The primary aim of this concern is to render services to its members or to the society at large. Okay, they come together, they form a concern or an organization, and they contribute themselves, okay, and be the member of that concern or the organization. So their aim, the primary aim, is to render services to the society at large. Now second, it promotes. What does it promotes? The art, all kinds of art. Now see, small scale industries or khadi and grab industries, these are established, and the artisans from different field are taken. Okay, in Rajasthan they do some kind of artwork, so that has to be promoted. Okay, for that it is. So it is formed for the promotion of art, culture, education, sports and charity. Then the members, do they get any kind of dividend? No, they do not. They don't expect anything from that. Okay. Then the management of such concern is done by elected representatives. It is done by the elected representatives through members of this organization are elected, are elected through representatives of members. Then what do these prepare? They prepare. Now this kind of concern, we are going to learn about the accounting of this concern. So how do they prepare their accounts? They first prepare receipts and payments. Okay. Then income and expenditure and the balance sheet. In profit concerns, what do we prepare? We prepare profit and loss, trading account, profit and loss account and the balance sheet. But in not for profit concern, we prepare income and expenditure account. And if the income is more over expenditure, then there will be a surplus. If expenditure is more over income, then it will be a deficit. Okay, and balance sheet as it is we prepare. Now, how is it created? See, capital fund is created in this account. Likewise, we contribute in the business. What do we contribute? We contribute capital. But in this type of organization, there is capital fund, which is contributed equally by all the members. Okay, all the members, they contribute and they render the services also, plus they contribute for the expenditure that they are going to make. So these are few features of not-for-profit concern. Now there is a difference between not-for-profit concern. What is the difference? See, primary objective is to provide services. It does not prepare trial balance. Okay. In profit concern, what do we prepare? We prepare trial balance. In this, we prepare receipts and payments account. Now, the very important, this is just like a cash book which you have studied in class 11th. Only the cash received and cash paid, expenses paid will be noted. No accrual basis transactions will be recorded. So, receipts and payment account is prepared. Then accounting, see, receipts and payment, income and expenditure, and balance sheet is prepared. Net results are surplus or deficit. Okay. If income is more, there is surplus. If expenditure is more, there is a deficit. And owner's capital fund is accumulated amounts of surplus, subscriptions, donations. Okay, shown in the income and expenditure account. So it is, see, not-for-profit concern basically deals with cash transactions only. It does not deal with accrual transactions, and it is recorded as income and expenditure or receipts and payments. From receipts and payment, we prepare income and expenditure account and the balance sheet. So here I have completed the explanation for this chapter. Practical problem 1 on page number 114. Calculation of stationery consumed during the year. See, extract of balance sheet is given to you. Balance sheet as on 1/4/2018. Stock of stationery, that is given 400. And receipts and payments account for the year ending 31st March 2019 by stationery purchase 6,300, and adjustment is said. Number 1, rupees 1,000 outstanding for stationery bill, and number 2, adjustment, stock of stationery as on 31st March 2019 was valued at rupees 1,800. Okay, now you have to give the working of stock of stationery. See, what is the opening stock of stationery in the balance sheet? Balance sheet date is 1/4/2018 and receipts and payments date is 31st March 2019. That means this is the opening stock of stationery, rupees 400. So here, calculation for stationery consumed during the year. So opening stock of stationery 400. This is the opening stock which is given in the opening balance sheet. Add purchases of stationery during the year. How we came to know that the stationery is being purchased during the year? Because in the receipts and payment it is said by stationery purchased. So purchase of stationery during the year, how much it amounted to? 6,300. Okay. Then in the adjustment it is said outstanding bill of stationery during the current year, okay, is rupees 1,000, that is due, but not received yet. So how much total up? 6,300 plus 400, it comes to 6,700 plus 1,700, 7,700. Okay, it comes to 7,700. Less closing stock of stationery. In the adjustment they have shown that the closing stock of or the stock of stationery as on 31st March 2019 is 1,800. So 7,700 minus 1,800, the stock of stationery consumed will be rupees 5,900. Okay, this way you have to calculate the stock of stationery or stock of medicines, whatever is given in the problem.